So fourth type of trophic movement is chemotrophic movement. Chemotrophic movement. What is chemotrophic movement या फिर chemotrophism? Chemotrophism is a movement, is a directional movement shown by the plant if stimulus is chemical. This time stimulus is chemical. If the trigger is chemical or stimulus is chemical, then the directional movement shown by the plant is known as chemotrophism or chemotrophic movement. Okay, so here chemo word is related to chemical. Now let's take its example. What will be the example? It's different example. You have seen flower. Flower has some petals, colorful. Okay, and here is a middle part that we call pistil. Okay, so here is a flower. Now there are some stamens. So here is some pollen grains. As you know, pollen grains are male gamete of the flower, and here is the female part which is called pistil or carpel. Now the pollen grain moves from anther. We call this part anther, and this part is called stigma. So from anther to stigma, this is called pollination. Okay, so pollen grain comes here. Now from pollen grain, here is a tube arise. Tube develop. This tube is called pollen tube. This tube is called pollen tube. This pollen tube move towards the ovary. So pistil has three parts. One is stigma, one is style, and the lower part, swollen part, is called ovary. So in ovary there is an egg. So here is some chemical. So pollen tube moves towards the ovary. This movement of pollen tube is known as chemotropism, or we can say chemotrophic movement. So chemotropism is what? When the stimulus is chemical and the directional movement shown by the plant is called chemotrophic movement or chemotropism. Now for example, we can write in one statement that the movement of pollen tube towards the ovary is known as chemotrophic movement, or we can say chemotropism. Its example is like this. Okay, so next one is this clear? It is very easy. You know, there are pollen grains. Pollen grains are male gamete, egg is female gamete. So pollen grain move from anther to stigma for pollination. Okay, this is known as pollination. Here pollen grain is at stigma, and from pollen grain there is a tube arises. This tube is called pollen tube. And this pollen tube will move towards ovary through this style, and its movement towards the ovary, because there is a chemical inside it, there is egg inside it, so its movement is known as chemotropism or chemotrophic movement. Okay, so fifth part is thigmotrophic movement. What is thigmotrophic movement? Thigmotrophic you have studied in control and coordination of animals, that the sense organ skin has a receptor, and that receptor is known as thigmoreceptor. So you can guess that which type of thigmotropism, or we can say thigmotrophic movement. Thigmotrophic movement is related to support. If the, we can write it thigmotrophic movement. You will understand about this. So if the stimulus is support or touch, okay, if the stimulus or trigger, we can say trigger also, because of this point, because of this reason it is moving. Support or touch, if the trigger is touch or support, so the plant move according to it, and the movement of plant according to this stimulus, and the, we can say, respond of the plant according to the touch or support is known as thigmotrophic movement. Now you have seen some pea plants or some climbers. Some climbers have leaves and they have a structure like this. Okay, so this structure is tied to a rope, and from where this rope goes, this climber move according to this. Its growth will be around this rope. Okay, you have seen this. Bottle gourd is a good example. Bottle gourd or some flowering plant, gate bale types जो plants हैं, so these plants move according to their support. Some plants are grown nearby the walls, and these climbers move according to these walls, and it all spread all around the walls. So these climbers, we can give the example of climbers. So climbers also shows thigmotrophic movement. Some pea plants also shows thigmotrophic movement. Okay, so from where they are getting touch or support, their tendril, this part is called tendril part. Their tendril gets support, very soft part, very elastic part of the plant. From where it gets support, it move, it grow according to its direction. So this directional movement of the plant according to touch or support is known as thigmotrophic movement, or we can say thigmotropism.